10th standard science first midterm important question. Physics unit 1 law of motion. Answer briefly. First one, define inertia, give its classification. Second one, classify the types of force based on the application. Fourth one, differentiate mass and weight. 4 mark question. Fifth one, define moment of couple. Sixth one, state the principle of movement. Seventh one, state Newton's second law. Problems la third one, the mechanic. Answer in detail. First one, what are the types of inertia? Second one, state Newton's law of motion. Third one, deduce the equation of a force using Newton's second law of motion. 7 mark question. Fourth one, state and prove the law of conservation of a linear momentum. This 4 mark. Fifth one, describe rocket propulsion. 5 mark. Physics unit 2 optics. Answer briefly. Second one, state sense law. Third one, draw a ray diagram. Fourth one, define this dispersion of light. Fifth one, state Rayleigh law of scattering. Sixth one, differentiate convex lens and concave lens. This is most important question. Seventh one, what is power of accommodation of eye? Eighth one, what are the causes of myopia? This is most important. Ninth one, why does the sky appear in blue color? Detail. First one, list any 5 properties of light. This is 5 mark. Third one, differentiate the eye defect, myopia and hypermetropia. Fourth one, explain the construction and working of a compound microscope. This is 7 mark question. Problems la first one, இது வந்து 4 markல கேட்பாங்க. An object is placed the distance 20 cm. Chemistry unit 7 atoms and molecules. Short answer. First one, define relative atomic mass. இதுல எல்லாமே important question தான். Second one, write the different types of isotopes. Third one, define atomicity. Fourth one, give two example. Fifth one, பாத்தீங்கன்னா what is molar volume of gas? Sixth one, what is the percentage of nitrogen in ammonia? Detail la first one, calculate the number of water molecule. இது வந்து 4 mark question. Third one, calculate the number of moles. இது compulsory அதிகமா கேட்பாங்க. Fourth one, give the salient feature of modern atomic theory. 5 mark question. Fifth one, drive the relationship between relative molecular mass and vapor density. 4 mark question. Problems la second one, calculate the percentage of each element. This is 4 mark question. Chemistry unit 8 periodic classification of elements. Short answer. 4 question important question. First, A is a reddish, 4 mark question. Second one, A is a silvery white metal, 4 mark question. Third one, what is rust? Give the equation for formation of rust. Fourth one, state 2 condition necessary. This is 2 mark question. At the odd question la second one, name the acid that renders aluminum passive. This is 2 mark question. At the third one, identify the bond of between H and F in HF molecule. This is 4 mark question. Biology unit 12 plant anatomy and plant physiology. Short answer. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா கொஸ்டினுமே important question. First one, give an account and vascular bundle. Second one, write a chart on mesophil. இது வந்து most important question. இது அடிக்கடி கேட்பாங்க. பாத்தீங்கன்னா third one, draw and label the structure. வந்து இது வந்து most important question. இது அடிக்கடி கேட்பாங்க. Fourth one, name the 3 basic tissues system in flowering plant. Fifth one, what is photosynthesis and where in a cell does it occur? Sixth one, what is respiratory quotient? Seventh one, why should the light dependent reaction occur before the light independent reaction? This is most important question. Eighth one, write the reaction of photosynthesis. Long answer. First one, differentiate the following monocot and dicot, Arabic and anaerobic சேர்த்து 7 மார்க் क्वेश्चन கேட்பாங்க. அது இல்லனா monocot and dicot தனியா 5 மார்க்லயும் Arabic and anaerobic respiration தனியா 5 மார்க்லயும் கேட்பாங்க. அடுத்து second one, describe the name 3 stages of cellular respiration. இது 7 மார்க்ல கேட்பாங்க. Third one, how does the light dependent reaction different from the light independent reaction? 5 mark question. Biology Unit 13, Structural Organization of Animals. Answering sentence first, give the common name. Third, write a dental formula of rabbit. Seventh one, which organ acts as such a pump in which? Eighth one, what does CNS stand? Ninth, why is the teeth of rabbit called? 10th, how does leech suck blood? Short answer second one, list out of the parasitic adaptation in leech. 5 mark question. Long answer second one, how does locomotion take place in leech? Third one, explain the male reproductive system of rabbit. It was the 7 mark question. Biology Unit 14, Transportation in plants and circulation in animals. Answering one word. Third one, why is the color of blood red? Short answer, what is cohesion? Short answer 8, what is importance of whales in the heart? 9th, 2, discover the RH factor. 10th one, our arteries and veins structurally. 11th, why is sinoatrial node called the pacemaker of what? Reason fourth one, minerals in plants. Long answer second one, what is transpiration? Fifth one, enumerate the function of blood. This is 4 mark question. Fifth one, enumerate the function of blood. This is 4 mark question. Biology Unit 15, Nervous System. Short answer second one, name the parts of the brain. Third one, what are the structures involved in the protection of brain? Sixth one, define reflex arc. Different rate rendome important. Voluntary, involuntary. Second one, modulated and non-modulated. Long answer first one, with it a need. Long answer first one, with a need label diagram explain structure of neuron. This is 7 mark அடிக்கடி கேட்பாங்க. அடுத்து sixth one classify neuron based on structure. Higher order thinking skills first one, A is a cylindrical structure that begins from the lower and medulla and expand downwards. This is 4 mark question.